So I installed for 25 years. Still, I guess, installing to this day, but specifically working for someone and then owning my own business, the total was 25 years. And in that 25 years, I've used all sorts of different products, including Sika's. I've used everything from low viscous, medium, high viscous products, primerless, products that do require primer. In my particular area, I believe that what technicians will notice and stand out the most will be the viscosity of the product. There are a couple other advantages, which would be low or no odor. Also for cutoff string properties, it has very low cutoff string, so that way you're not leaving a mess. Yes, the reason why viscosity is so important for this product, and particularly in my area, which is Arizona, would be because the heat plays such a major role in the breakdown of the product. So having something that'll stand up for decking reasons is very important to our technicians and our customers. The way I see how Sika helps installers day to day is us, right? Our territory managers like us. We listen to our customers and we give our feedback to the chemists, to our engineers. That way we can produce a product that is perfect for them in any condition.